Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for rent in Salt Rock, Ballito, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa for R17,000. This house boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open-plan kitchen and lounge. There is a separate flatlet on the property that consists of 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, lounge and kitchen. Salt Rock is a small town just north of Ballito and Checkers Rock on the Dolphin Coast of KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. It is a favorite holiday destination for many local South Africans. It is about 40 minutes north of Durban. There are plenty of fishing spots along the coast from Salt Rock, through Checkers Rock to Ballito and Salmon Bay. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.